In this video, I'm going to show you how to assign a Seesaw activity to a subset of students. This can be especially helpful if you are trying to differentiate and perhaps offer remediation, enrichment, or just more personalized activities for one student or a group. So to do this, you're going to go and find the activity that you would like to assign to a group or an individual student, and this might be one you create or one that you pull in from the activity library. So this is from my sample first grade class, and I think that there are a few students who would really benefit from some enrichment in a second grade activity. So I've searched the second grade activities. I've found one that looks great for this subset of students, and I'm going to make modifications that I need and hit assign. I'm going to find the class that my students are in, and notice right now if I check my first grade class, it says 5 students. So those are the total amount of students in this sample class. For you it will probably be more, but that should show the total number of all of your students. I'm going to hit edit students prior to assigning it, and the default is that all students will be checked in your class. I'm going to uncheck next to the first row where it has your entire class and pick the few students that I think that this activity would be appropriate for. Then when I'm ready, I'm going to go ahead and hit the check button, and notice that now it shows me that I'm assigning it to 2 students. And as always, I can pick if I want to make it available immediately or if I want to assign it for a future date. And then I'm going to go ahead and hit assign to one class, knowing that it will only assign it to that group of students that I think it is appropriate for, those 2 students. So now it shows 2 students instead of 5. So I'm going to go ahead and hit assign, and now it will show up for any students that I assigned it to in their activity feed.